Okay, folks, what we are is this is one of the highlights of Ernie's collection. This is a 1912 Indian factory racer. So just like in the car thing, you know, you had the cars that you sold to the general public, and then you had your race cars, which you took to the track to prove to everybody how fast your equipment was. 1912 factory racer. This is a short wheelbase bike, and this is what Ernie explained to me as an open carb bike. It doesn't have a throttle here. You actually open the carburetor here, and you either had it wide open or you didn't. They'd get this started, give you a push, you'd hang on and hit this, right? Ernie was telling me that a lot of times they used to race these on horse racing tracks. He said that sometimes as they're riding on the horse racing track that they'd blow up horse crap, and it would get stuck on some of the parts of it on the kill switch or something, so you had to try to hit the carb or you had to pull the kill switch. It was a very interesting ride. Ernie restored this motorcycle. He personally rode it 100 miles an hour. Can you imagine being on this little bicycle ride here going 100 miles an hour? That's crazy, right? This apparently is an extremely rare motorcycle, and for you guys out there who know them, you'll understand that. 1912 Indian factory racer, 100-mile-an-hour motorcycle. What a great piece. Somebody's going to just love this.